All right, E2 Lens Renew Headlight Restoration.
And here's a rookie who's never done this before.
And this is Eric, the engineer and inventor.
And I'm Joshua. I'm a guy who owns a car who needed some help with my headlights.
Okay, Joshua, take the white cloth. Okay, just grab the white cloth. We're going to soak it in water.
Put this one on here.
Okay, go ahead and wring it out. There we go. Okay, grab the cleaner. Put the cloth over your index and middle finger. And put a little bit of cleaner on the cloth. There you go.
Not this much.
Yeah, a little bit more. All right, now you can go to work on it.
And this doesn't harm the paint at all.
Yeah, just like you're going to scrub a pot in a pan.
Should I be adding more to it about now?
Yeah, add a little more to it. There you go. And then show them the cloth where the oxidation's coming out. See the yellow on the cloth? That's the oxidation. Yeah, a little more. There you go. This won't harm paint or clear coat. It requires no masking. Just like scrubbing a pot in a pan, take you about 2 minutes to do it. All right. We're going to rinse the headlight off. This is just plain old water. All right, Josh, get ready to do it again. Hit another cycle. He's going to do a repeat.
Wow, look at that already.
Just like scrubbing a pot in a pan. Okay, show them the cloth. Look at all the oxidation that came off. See? All that oxidation that was on the headlight. It's now gone.
Wow.
So we're going to rinse it off.
That's amazing. That didn't take very long. And it really didn't take very much effort.
At that point, we're going to take an old car towel, dry his lens off. And Josh is going to apply the clear coat.
Even as a beginner.
Okay. Go ahead and grab the clear coat.
So I'm done with this.
Yep, you're done with that.
Both headlights.
Yep. Now apply that just like you would a car wax onto the lens. There you go.
Just buff it in.
And just rub it in like a car wax. Okay, put a little more on your pad and you get the rest of it. There you go. Perfect.
What's the clear coat? Did you develop these at the same time?
Yes.
And they are both integral to.
Yes. All that does is repel the water and provides a seal. Okay? At that point, he's done. Get down in the corner. There you go. All right. And we'll let that haze over for about a minute. Go ahead and shut that haze out.
Did we do the other one yet?
Yeah, it's over there.
It's impressive.
And at that point, he'll take this blue cloth in the kit and he'll buff it off just like you would buffing a car wax.
Okay.
Go ahead and buff it.
Yep, go ahead and buff it.
Like HD.
My goodness.
And it's that simple.
It's in 4K.
Look at
And
that.
he's done.
Sparkling like a diamond. Thank you, gentlemen.
You're welcome.
Awesome.